Hi, this is Dave from Wrong Direction Farm. Today while I was out with the cattle, I took some videos in slow motion mode just to watch how they eat grass. Now we always mention that we have grass-fed beef cattle, but I don't think I've ever written or showed anything about how the cattle actually eat. So this might be an interesting thing for everyone. Now, cattle don't have an upper set of incisor teeth, so they're not very efficient at nibbling. Instead, they use their tongues to wrap around a clump of grass and pull it back to their mouths. A cow will eat 100 pounds or more of grass in a day, so it makes sense that they need to be very efficient in gathering all of that forage. Anyway, I find this really fascinating and fun to watch. I hope you do too. Thanks.